Hello, my name is Dorothychia and you're watching my YouTube channel, Dorothychiapiano. Dorothychiapiano is about all things piano, piano teaching and music. So if you would like to follow my channel, do subscribe, like and share, and remember to click on the bell. Today's topic is going to be on slow Wi-Fi speed. As we go into online teaching, Wi-Fi speed is a very important factor because it determines the rate that how smooth the audio and video quality is on your video conferencing. So when you're teaching online, most of us are using some sort of video call conferencing app, either Zoom or Google Hangout, Google Meet, Google Classroom, alright? And all this is affected by a very important factor, the Wi-Fi speed. So when the Wi-Fi speed is slow, what are some options that we as piano teachers can do? We can suggest to the student to move the router next to the piano. So when the router is close to the instrument or the place where the computer is at, the flow of the video would be smoother and there would be less chances of the screen freezing or having a lag in the sound. Some of my students have their pianos in a room and the router is in the living rooms or a different part of the house. So when you have that kind of problem, you can resolve it by not closing the room door, leave the door open when you're having your lesson. Or you can also purchase a router booster. So what it does, it just simply replicates the router and boosts it up in the room. So it serves like an external booster that you put into the room that magnifies the router that is in another part of the house. So with better Wi-Fi connection, definitely you will have a smoother online music lesson. So I hope today's tip has been helpful to you. So stay safe everyone. Till the next time. Bye bye.